Very good afternoon to everyone. Two questions before I start with today's lecture. Number one, yesterday's test. Even the testing, this test, online test is new for us. So even we are experimenting on it. How was it? Means whether difficult or that I'm not asking. Technologically, how it was. Using technology. I'll come to that question later. First question is technology-wise. Handling it was easy, handling it was difficult. सर ये पेपर में होता तो इजी हो जाता था, एक कंप्यूटर पे ऑनलाइन आ रहा है तो डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था, समथिंग लाइक दैट. Handling, I'm asking about technology, handling of it. Technology was good, right? Easy to handle. Even for us, it is, we are experimenting. Another thing, let me tell you, this paper is not set by the app. Paper is set by us. Okay, when we set the paper, it asks us, this question I'm going to ask. Whether you want to change, whether you want to do anything additional, you want to do your own question, you want to add your own question, everything has been done, and then the paper is set. So paper is not entirely set by the app. App gives you hint, select this question, take this question, this is difficult, this is easy question, and things like that. It gives you a bunch of questions, and from that you keep on selecting the questions. Okay, so I made it sure you don't get those questions which are not in your syllabus. Like somebody had asked me, sir, alphabet series. But एक आध question मैं डालने का सोच रहा हूँ. Sometime I'll put one alphabet series also, just to have a neck of it. कि ऐसा कुछ होता है. It's not difficult. But then you don't have it anywhere in your material. It's not there. Okay. Then second, how was the exam now? Exam. The questions, question answering. How do you find the exam? Technology was good. Now coming to the exam. Some were tricky, some were easy. Okay. Yeah, I do remember one or two questions, because when you set the paper, it asks you, this is the tricky question. Do you want to ask a tricky question? So if I'm not wrong, I've selected one or two tricky questions, but rest all places I selected easy one. Okay. Okay, practice, and if you have any problem with that questions, if you have that question, you post it on my this. Send me on my WhatsApp, and I'll give you the answer. Okay, because I don't have access to the test. Once said paper is set, I can't do anything. Once I said paper is set, over, saved, then I cannot see the question, what question has been asked. So please send me the question if you have, and then we'll try and discuss. Okay. And I don't know this now. Next, do you get your result immediately? So this is from student angle. I don't know how it is. I'll have to ask if you get result immediately. Okay. Solution, I'll tell you. Solution, whatever your exam timing, ending time. Okay. Your solution will be ready roughly after half an hour after the test gets over. Roughly. Okay. Okay. You get immediately. Fine. Solution, I'm talking about solution. I know the solution. It asks us when solution should be displayed. Okay. So normally we keep 15-20 minutes and then we display the solution. So 15-20 minutes, but you take roughly half an hour. After half an hour, after the exam is over, after half an hour you go and see. You'll find the answers. Okay. So we'll continue, and then it is discussion with Doshi sir and all. They said we'll be giving you, student, a test timetable. So very soon you'll get test timetable also, on which day, which exam is there and all that, so you can prepare accordingly. Now next, so that was all about exam, and keep giving exam, dear student. The more you give exam, the more better you are. Don't say this topic is not covered and I have not studied this topic, that topic. Whatever you have studied, with that knowledge, give the exam. So you know this chapter, okay, I'm good at LR by 50%. I got 60%, so I'm good at 60%. Okay. Now your result will be available to me also. It is said. I don't know exactly how to check and all, but I'll find it out that, and I'll check your result also. Right now, I was busy making your PPTs of this PNC, permutation and combination. So I never went to check the result. Okay, I'll check that result, your result. So I'll come to know your result also. And make sure maximum test you give. The more you give, the better. Then another next point is your chapter which is over, time value of money. Okay, time value of money. That chapter, additional question bank was there. Have you tried? Except that one question, Tom, Dick, Harry, or what was there? Except that others you have to try. Some of you have tried. Any doubt? Any doubt? Feel free to post it on my WhatsApp. I try to help you out. Maybe on the same day. If not possible, definitely then by next day I'll give you. Now, why I'm saying WhatsApp? Why I'm saying don't call up? Because I do have other lectures also. I'm not taking only your lecture. I'm taking lecture for TY BCom. I'm taking lecture for CA Inter. I'm taking lectures for 12. Okay. TY BCom, I'm taking costing. TY BCom, I'm taking computer. So many lectures. So when you call me up, I may be in the lecture. Okay. Sometimes you say my phone rings and I have to cut the phone. So better you post it on my WhatsApp. And then that's the reason I said WhatsApp. If needed, I'll call you. Okay. As far as possible, I try and give you the answers there. It's a WhatsApp, but sometimes it's not possible to explain you on WhatsApp. So that time I'll call you. Okay. Or you post me a message, sir, please call. So I'll call you. But keep on practicing on Dhaval. Keep on practicing on that app only. Dhaval is asking me test ke jaise tricky questions ki practice. Okay. Send me the tricky question what it was. Okay. Let me check. I don't think that. Send me a question at least, Dhaval, without fail, by today evening. Okay. After the lecture over or after this, you may have law lecture. Once that gets over, you send me. Now, let's start with this our chapter called as permutation and combination. Just know what we are discussing right now. This vacant spaces is important. It is to build up your logic. Once you know this, the topic becomes easier. And what do you have is you have objective type questions on this. So solution is not important whether you are solved it by vacant spaces, whether you solved it by formula. Nobody is going to ask you. If you find this vacant spaces easier, go ahead and do it. All the solutions with only vacant spaces without using formula. That is possible. Okay. So I know 12th and 13th question is also over. I want to revise this before we go on to the next one. That's all. Let's start now. Okay. And then for test, dear student, what I said, keep practicing from that app because all questions were from app. Okay, app is having a lot of questions. Whatever questions, even we find it tricky and difficult one, we keep on adding those questions so that database keeps on updating. It's not the same. So whatever database on 31st May and whatever the database on 30th June, definitely there is some addition. If you cannot say every day, but every week there is some addition. 1 or 2 questions are added almost everywhere. If we come across certain question which is good one, tricky one, we add it to this app database. So anyway, let's start. Question number 12. How many 4 digits number? I know we have done this. I'm just revising. How many 4 digits number can be formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition? Now, how many number of digits you have here? Number of digits you have here is here. Number of digits given. Let us count them. What digits are? They are not important. Whether it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whether it is 5, 6, 7, 8, that is not important. Look at the digits. How many digits are there? Total 5 digits are available. One is 0, the other one is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, without repetition, in the first box here, just 1 second. In this first box, this box, okay, what I have all 5 options available with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All are available to me. But can I put 0 here? because we want 4 digits number. If I put here 0, my number will not be 4 digit, my number will be 3 digits. So what is not allowed in this particular box, the left box? Out of available 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 is not allowed. Suppose 0 is not there, and if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 is not there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then all 5 options are available to me. Okay, it's like let's say you went for a wedding. In a wedding, you are vegetarian, and there are 3 non-veg dishes and 2 veg dishes. So for you, those 3 are not available because you are vegetarian. You cannot have those non-vegetarian dishes. They are not available for you. Similarly, here, now in that, if you are vegetarian and you went for a wedding, and all 5 dishes are vegetarian, you can select any one. Okay. Similarly, this particular left box where I have marked here, this box cannot have 0. Why you cannot have 0? Because if I put 0 here, my number will be not 4 digits, it will become 3 digits. So what I can put, what options I have? I may put 1, I may put 2, I may put 3, I may put 4. So 4 options are here. So that 4 options, I'm not writing 4. It's not digit 4. That's the reason it is in red color. I have 4 options. शादी में गए, वहां पे 4 अलग अलग 5 अलग अलग डिशेस है, उसमें से एक यू आर वेजिटेरियन और एक नॉन वेज डिश है, तो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक दैट. सो फॉर यू अवेलेबल dishes are 4. So similarly, available options here are 4. So 1 digit इधर गया, अब कितना बचे अपने पास? So next place here I can put 0 also. 1 digit is already reserved here. Now in the second box, this box, second box, what happens? I have 0 or 4 options are available. Out of 5, 1 is already used on the left side. So again 4 here. So 4. Next, 1 less 3, then 1 less 2. Total multiplication is 96. Any doubt here? Is it clear? Very important here, student. This is. I'm going very slow because this is basic. Base clear हो गया, then we can solve problem fast.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी, कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट. कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें, और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान. इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक. तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें, और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री, और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी.
Any doubt? This is revision of the last lecture. Any doubt? Fast. Next. Okay. How many 4 digits number can be formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Repetition allowed. Repetition allowed. Same question above, it says without repetition. Now it says repetition allowed. Now in this first box, the leftmost box, the leftmost box, what are the digits available? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 5 digits. But can I use 0 here in the first box? The answer is once again no. Because if I use 0, what will happen? The number will become 3 digits. If it is other than 0, just assume the digits given are 1, 2, or let's change altogether digits. Digits given to you are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Digits given are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the first box, how many options are available? If the digits are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very first box, options, number of options available. If there are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 are available. But now what happened? In available digits, 0 is given. So in the leftmost, we cannot use 0. So how many options available now for us? 4. Now in the next box, when I go to the next box, repetition allowed. Even I can use 0 and repetition is allowed. So all 5 are allowed. Next, all 5 are allowed. Again, all 5 are allowed. Only in the first case, 0 was not allowed, because if I use 0, my number will not be 4-digit, my number will be 3-digit. So 4 into 5 into 5 into 5, answer is 500. Let's go to the next one. This is done in the last lecture only. Now today's lecture starts with this vacant spaces only. Look at this. How many 4-digit numbers that are divisible by 5 can be formed using digits 0, 2, 3, 4, 5? One is not there. Okay, digits allowed or available are 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition. It says the number should be divisible by 5. For this, divisible by 5, number which are divisible by 5, you should know the divisibility test of 5. When a number is divisible by 5, if you don't know, here I am showing. Divisibility test of 5 says at the unit place, it should be 0 or 5. If there is 0 at the unit place or 5 at the unit place, then the number is said to be divisible by 5. 0 होगा तो भी divisible है, 5 होगा unit place में तो भी divisible है. Okay. Now how many digits? 4 digits. Now this is 4 digits. Now can you see one with yellow color, yellow background? The yellow background means fixed. यहाँ से याद रखना. Blank one, white color. Okay. There you have to say. But with yellow color background, it is fixed. What do we want? We want that is a unit place. This is unit place. Yellow color is unit place. Unit place, 10 place, 1000 place, right? Unit place. This is unit place. At unit place, what I want, either 0, divisibility test of 5 says it should be either 0 or 5. So let us fix here another one also. This is here I am fixing 0. 0 is fixed. Now this is digit 0. ये जो इधर आपको दिया हुआ 0 है, ये ऑप्शन नहीं है, ये डिजिट 0. ये 0 उठा के इधर डाल दिया मैंने. The number. That's the reason I'm showing it with black color. Black color means it's a digit itself. Q0, divisibility test of 5 says unit place should be 0. Unit place should be 0 or unit place should be 5. Unit place should be 0 or unit place should be 5. Okay. Now 0 is a unit place, fixed it is. Now let's go to this. 0 is fixed there at unit place. Now how many options were available to you? All digits 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of that, use 0 there. So what is left with you now? You are left with 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many options you have now? Here. How many options you have? Please answer. आपके पास कितने थे? 5 डिजिट थे, उसमें से 0 तो आपने उधर यूज कर लिया. अभी बचे कितने आपके पास? 4. So yes, here 4. And that down is 5. I've said 0 and 5 unit place पे फिक्स किया. पहला भी इधर 4. ओके. और एक डिजिट आपने 0 तो उधर फिक्स कर दिया है, एक डिजिट इधर यूज किया. 4 ऑप्शंस हो गए. नेक्स्ट में 3 ऑप्शंस, नेक्स्ट में 2 ऑप्शंस. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज 24. 0 को नहीं लेना है, 0 इज फिक्स्ड, उसको गिनना नहीं है. 4 into 3 into 2, दैट इज 24. नेक्स्ट प्लेस में 5 को फिक्स करके रखा है मैंने. अभी 5 को फिक्स किया. अब सोच समझ के जवाब दो. पहले बॉक्स में, इधर 5 वाले में, पहले बॉक्स में, दैट इज लेफ्ट बॉक्स में, इन दिस बॉक्स I'll draw 3 lines here. In this box, 3 lines I'm drawing. How many options you have? Where I've drawn 3 lines there, how many options you have? 3, not 4, because 0 you cannot use it here. In the first case, what happened? 0 was fixed. So available was 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 is fixed. What is available? 0, 2, 3, and 4. But you cannot take 0. So how many options are available? 3. So comes 3 here. Then what is in the next box? In the next box, how many options in the next box? Without repetition. 3 डियर स्टूडेंट, हाउ 5? 3 ही ना, 5 तो ऑलरेडी उधर फिक्स कर दिया, एक डिजिट पहले बॉक्स में भी तो डाल दिया, 3 by 3, 5 is already fixed, one digit is used at the leftmost side, इधर वो 3 लाइंस किया, उधर एक डिजिट यूज किया ना आपने, टोटल कितना था? 5 digits, out of that 5 is fixed, one digit is used here, so बचे कितने? 3, थोड़ा सोच के जवाब दो, 3, then 2, 3 into 3 into 2, that is 18, total 24 plus 18, 42. समझ में आया? So how many 4 digits number that is divisible by 5 can be formed using digits 0, 2, 3, 4, 5? And answer is 42. Final answer, 42. Any doubt? Any doubt? Clear? Next question I'll discuss and then I'll give you for you to solve. You solve and you tell me the final answer. Okay, next one, 15th question. How many 4 digits number which are divisible by 4 can be formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition? Divisible by 4. Yes, okay. Divisibility test. ये मालूम होना चाहिए. Whatever I'm showing with green color, that is you should know it. 5 का divisibility test you should know. Unit place 0 and 5. Now divisibility test of 4 says last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last के 2 digit क्या होने चाहिए? 4 से divisible होने चाहिए. Then the number is divisible by 4. Okay. Yes, and don't do it. Wait. I'll ask you to do it. Now one is 0, 4. Out of given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, say smallest number which is divisible by 4, 2 digits will be 0 and 4. What? Next 12. Next yellow color mein next. What number I'll put from available digits? What digits we have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 4 is divisible by 4. 12 is divisible by 4. Try and give me the next number. 4 से divisible 16 है, but 16 अपने पास नहीं है. 1 and 6 नहीं है अपने पास. उसके पहले yes, you people are saying 24, correct 24, but 24 से पहले भी एक नंबर आएगा. 20 भी तो आएगा ना? 20, yeah. Then 24. After 24, after 24, 24 के बाद 28, but we don't have 2 and 8. So next one is 32. और एक है 40. Okay. Now how many digits we have altogether? अपने पास available digits कितने? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 5, including that 0, 5. Out of that 5, 2 is used already. 2 are fixed. 2 are fixed. अभी अपने पास बचे कितने? तो 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 में से first case में, case number 1, let me put it here as case number 1. Here, case number 1. How many are left with us? Out of 5, 2 are already fixed. So left are कितने बच गए अपने पास? Repetition allowed नहीं हमको.